Hi everyone. Today in this session, I'll be teaching about module number 4, professional or engineering ethics. So here in this presentation, we will be seeing about what is meant by ethics and what and all the types of ethics like engineering ethics, applied ethics, and what and all the responsibility of a human being in the society. So now I'll be beginning the class with the definition of ethics. So here in the first slide, it is like a definition of engineering ethics, and before that, we'll see the figure. So here in this figure, you can see that ethics have lot of meanings like conscience, choice, honor, value, integrity, moral principles, honesty, right, fairness, and responsibility. Right. So the word ethics, what it does means in the Greek word, it is known as ethos. It means that it's a custom or a habit of individual how to behave in the society, or it is like a custom or a habits of man. So it is like a study which deals with which is right and which is wrong. So in day to day life, it is like good and bad of human life, and it is also a normative and a theoretical science of good and right in human conduct. And also it says that which is what is good and what is right and good in human conduct. It is a like a morality based evaluative science, means that it says that which is goodness and how to implement that in the society. So now we shall see like what and all the as a engineer, what and all the things we need to follow in our day to day life. Okay, the need of bringing this particular ethics subject in our engineering is in order to study the behavior of human beings in the society, because as an engineer we will be knowing more about the technology, and we will be developing more apps and more projects for the society in day to day life. So that and all, like if we apply this ethics to, like if we have like which is right for the society and which is wrong for the society, that knowledge if we implement in our profession, so that our upcoming generation will lead a sustainable one sustainable development we can find in our society. So the need to control and eliminate immorality in the society is our responsibility, right? So it is the basis of how to study the, like it is like a basis of like moral values and even the behavioral science, right? So now we shall see about what is actually the meaning of ethics. Ethics is having different meaning, like you can see in the figure, right? So it is like your choice of being honesty or being honesty to the society, and it is your responsibility of how to behave in the society, right? So here the first type in the ethics is applied ethics. So applied ethics, the need of bringing this applied ethics to the society is why, because in order to make changes in the behavior of human being in the society. So here it has like ethics will provide a set of rules, regulations, everything, like a study it will give, but how we need to implement in the society. So here I have given a very good example, like a mother is carrying her child and the child is seeing some fight in the society. The child guesses whether this particular fight is like whether it is right or wrong, whether fighting is right or wrong, it will feed into his mind. If mother is giving the knowledge about no, it's wrong, like we need to behave if she teaches all the human like values to the baby now, like in the future in the generation, what baby will be like very mature and he will not go to such problem. But if something wrongly is fed into the into his mind, means what will happen? Sure, it will be like the future generation also will be getting spoiled. So it is like addressing ethical dilemmas and making decisions in real life context, so seeing the problems and making our own decision. So here the applied ethics is defined as a practical form of ethics. It applies morality to real life and draws attention to the ethical needs of the ethical needs of our society. In other words, like what to say, it's like a moralistic and humanistic approach for the philosophy we are studying, right? But how to apply to the society, that is what we need to know. So here in the applied ethics, it is having some few points. Like applied ethics means what? It is like how to behave in the society. That is what the first point is saying. And the second point says that it seeks to the end of the process of degradation of the value. See, values, if you are degrading, that should be like that we need to stop, right? So it shows one in that. And also it says that how to arrest the present trend. So like present trends of fights and issues running in the society. And also it says that why the fights arises only because of the evils of corruptions, dishonesty, or unfaithfulness, poverty, greedy, illiteracy, ignorance, crime, violence, lack of healthy work culture, everything encouraging people, right, to like what to say, to fight or even for all the issues. So in order to like if we are learning this behavioral science means, then what will happen daily life if we apply these things, and we will be knowing the professional values means, then all the things will be in one. Like what to say, we can control, and we can also follow. Like if we follow all the values and rules in our day to day life means, all these things will come in, all these particular things will come into like come into control, right? It will be in controlled manner. So this is why it's very important for studying the applied ethics. And also the like not only applied ethics, we have different types of ethics, like environmental ethics, medical ethics, educational ethics, engineering ethics, business ethics. So why these types are all like different types are there now? Because if we study, like for every profession, for every job, there is a set of moral values, right? That's why we have different types of ethics. And first of all, engineering ethics means what? It's like hmm, profession. See, we like a medical profession, engineering is one profession, like a teaching profession, and like a lawyer, like legal profession. See what, we have a set of rules. So if we obey that, and we can able to give technology in a right way. See, for example, if you are producing one project to the society, that if you follow all the professional like standards and everything, so that product will reach the society in correct manner. So that's why you are studying about engineering ethics, and even the professional ethics and everything, right? So this is the now you'll be see like in the upcoming presentation, we will be seeing about the engineering ethics meaning and the scope, and what are all the aims and objectives of the engineering ethics for our engineering student. See, why particularly this topic means, why as a engineering students we are learning these things means, and if we understand the meaning of engineering ethics and the types of all this like all this engineering ethics means, we will develop one basic knowledge for all like for all the problems. And we will also like morally, like we will be having a very peaceful environment. We can develop a sustainable environment through this. And also we will be see this particular ethics subject is having so many duty theories, right theories, virtue theories and all. Why this theories and all means, it to understand, to have a basic knowledge about having a balanced environment means that laws, and like if everybody will be benefited if they learn it. And also they will be having the ability to like how to maintain all the economical problems, all the socio-economical problems. And also we will come to know about the human rights, professional rights, and employee rights, and everything in their future. So this is the like different things what as a engineering student we need to know in our life. This is only for to serve the environment in a right way. So here in the upcoming presentation, I will be giving a brief description or about each and every types of ethics and how to deal with all the problems. So now I'll conclude this video. Thank you all.